Imagine you walk into a courtroom. The opposing side has a lawyer. You have an AI, and the AI wins. That's not a sci-fi movie plot. That already happened. And right now, law firms across the USA are quietly replacing entire departments with AI tools. And most lawyers have no idea how fast this is moving. My name is LegalAI Decoded, and I've spent years inside the legal world. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI is replacing lawyers. Which jobs are already gone, which ones are next, and honestly, what this means for you if you ever need legal help. Stay with me, because this one will surprise you. Let's go back to 2020. If you asked any senior lawyer whether AI would replace their job, they'd laugh. AI can't argue. AI can't negotiate. AI doesn't understand context. Fast forward to 2026. A single AI tool called Harvey, used by top-tier firms including Allen and Overy, now handles thousands of legal documents per week. Work that used to take a junior associate 3 days, done in 4 minutes. Here's what's wild. It's not just document work. AI is now being used for legal research, contract drafting, due diligence, even predicting case outcomes. A study from Stanford Law found that AI matched senior attorney accuracy on contract review at a fraction of the cost. So the question isn't if AI is replacing lawyers anymore. The question is, how fast and who's next? Let's get specific. Here are 3 legal roles where AI has already moved in, and humans are being pushed out. Number 1, document review. This used to be the bread and butter of junior lawyers, reviewing hundreds of contracts, flagging issues, checking clauses. Boring, expensive, slow. AI tools like Kira and Luminance now do this in minutes with over 90% accuracy. Law firms that used to hire 10 junior associates for this? Some are down to 2. Number 2, legal research. Every lawyer knows the grind. Hours in databases, hunting for case precedents. Tools like Westlaw AI and LexisNexis, plus now pull relevant case law, summarize arguments, and even suggest counter-arguments. In seconds, the research associate role is quietly disappearing. Number 3, contract drafting. Startups and small businesses used to pay $500 to $2,000 to have a lawyer draft a basic contract. Now, tools like Contract Pod AI and even ChatGPT with the right prompts can produce a solid first draft in under 2 minutes. For free. That's 3 job categories. Gone. Or shrinking fast. Now, before you think lawyers are finished, let's be fair. Because there are things AI genuinely cannot do. At least not yet. AI can't stand in a courtroom. Oral arguments, cross-examination, reading a jury's body language, adjusting strategy mid-trial. That's still human territory. A great trial lawyer is part strategist, part psychologist, part performer. No AI does that. AI can't build client relationships. When someone walks in after a devastating accident, or a business dispute that's destroying their livelihood, they need a human who listens, understands, and fights for them personally. That emotional layer, AI has no answer for it. And AI makes mistakes. You may have heard about the New York lawyer who submitted AI-generated case citations to a federal court. Citations that didn't exist. The judge was not impressed. AI hallucinates. It can be confidently wrong. A trained lawyer catches that. A non-lawyer using AI alone might not. So the real picture isn't AI replacing all lawyers. It's AI replacing the parts of law that are repetitive, research-based, and document-heavy. The strategic, human, courtroom work, that remains. Here's why this matters to you. Whether you're a lawyer, a law student, or just someone who might need legal help someday. If you're a lawyer or law student, the lawyers who will thrive in the next 5 years are the ones who use AI as a weapon, not the ones who ignore it. Learning tools like Harvey, Westlaw AI, and contract automation isn't optional anymore. It's survival. If you're a business owner or individual, this is actually great news for you. Legal help is becoming more accessible and more affordable. AI-powered services like Do Not Pay and LegalZoom AI are letting regular people handle things they used to need expensive attorneys for. Know your rights. Use these tools. And if you're watching this thinking about the future of careers, law is not dying, but it is splitting into 2 tracks. Track 1. Lawyers who embrace AI and become 10 times more productive. Track 2. Lawyers who don't and find themselves competing with software for $50 per hour work. Which track would you choose? The legal world is changing faster than most people realize. AI is already inside the biggest law firms on the planet. It's writing contracts, doing research, predicting verdicts. And this is still early days. In my next video, I'm going to show you the exact 5 AI tools that lawyers are actually using right now in 2026, including 1 free tool that can review your contract in 60 seconds. You don't want to miss that one. If this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe. I break down AI and law every single week, in plain English, no jargon. Drop a comment below. Do you think AI will fully replace lawyers in your lifetime? I read every single one. See you in the next one.